Hello, my Pinkathon Borivali team. I'm extremely delighted that today we are going to run for our Pinkathon Day 3.0. Together we can do more, and once we start, unstoppable we are no matter what. So, as a gesture to what Pinkathon has given to us, I want to show you some exercise, warm up exercise, right before we do for the run. Alright, warm up exercises have a lot of importance in our running because immediate running may cause fatigue or stress in your lower back, in your upper back, and overall in your feet. So, warm up is very much necessary. Let's start with the full body warm up. I have kept a table aside so that if I need a support, I can do it. Just remember, if you are a beginner, you can always take a support of a wall, of a table, of a chair, whichever things you are comfortable with. But do with proper stability and good posture. Let's begin with the full body workout. It will be a 20-minute workout we will do. Alright, let's start it with the neck rotation 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are having spondylitis, make sure your eyes are open and you are not stretching very much behind. Otherwise, it may cause a press to a nerve and you might feel little spin or a vertigo. Let's do other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are doing little longer count for shoulder rotation. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great. Let's do our hands movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Entire full body warm up is very necessary so that it gives you a good momentum. We will do hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Great. We'll go to knees now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright. Now we will work on our ankle. एंकल के लिए अगर आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए तो कोई भी प्रकार का सपोर्ट ले लीजिए if you don't have the balance, or else you can simply hold your waist and do it. We will do up and down of the ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will do rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to do same with another leg. Since I have got artificial limb, I'll be doing only with the one leg. Let's do for the other leg. Same way, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Great. Full body warm up is done. Now we will do little stretches. Even stretches will help you relaxing your muscles and help you to give you the momentum. We will start with squats. We will do 10 squats together. जब भी आप स्क्वाट्स करते हो तो एक चीज याद रखिए कि डायरेक्टली आपको नीचे नहीं बैठना है, बल्कि आपका जो हिप है उसको पीछे लेके जाना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू go slowly and sit. Because I need a support, I am taking the help of the table. If you don't need a support, you can simply focus on your core and do it. जब भी आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो तो ध्यान में रखिए आपका जो पेट है और उसको कोर जो मसल्स है आपका उसे खींच के अंदर रखिए, ताकि आपके कोर मसल्स एक्टिवेट होंगे और इवेंचुअली बिल्ड होंगे. तो चलिए स्क्वाट्स करते हैं 10. I'll keep a table on this side. All right. We'll take our hip firstly behind. Little spread your legs and go down. 1. Come up. And don't forget to breathe. Keep breathing. Behind and 2. Behind and 3. Behind and 4. Behind and 5. Behind and 6. Behind and 7. Behind and 8. Behind and 9. Now there is a twist. Behind and 10. Be seated for 5 seconds. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and slowly get up. Great. We will do one more type of squat. It is called a sumo squat. When you are doing a sumo squat, spread your legs, open your legs as much as you can, and then you have to sit in squat to open your pelvic. Once this also we will do together. We will do 5 counts because you need little breather. अगर आपको सांस लेने की ज़रूरत लगे 2 मिनट आप ब्रीथ कर लीजिए. For breathing I am giving you a tip. Always try to do a deep breathing. When you are doing a deep breathing, count 1 to 12 when you are breathing in and 12 to 1 when you are breathing out. Basically जब भी आप 1 से 12 की गिनती करते हो सांस लेने के लिए, तभी बिल्कुल भी बीच में सांस छोड़नी नहीं है. और जब भी आप 12 से 1 की गिनती करते हुए सांस छोड़ रहे हो तो बिल्कुल भी सांस लेनी नहीं है उस बार. जब भी सांस लेते हो तो इमेजिन योर स्टमक शुड एक्सपेंड लाइक अ बलून, और जब भी सांस छोड़ते हो, फेंकते हो, बाहर निकालते हो तो योर स्टमक should contract like a balloon. So let's do first 1 to 12 deep breathing count, then we will proceed to sumo squat. Let's do it. Keep your own count. Count 1 to 12 in your mind while breathing in. Breathe out. Great. When you are doing deep breathing, your slowly heart rate comes to a normal little normal than previous, and you get a good breather to go for the next exercise. तो चलिए sumo squat करते हैं. Open your legs as much as you can. This exercise is to open your pelvic and your glute muscles which are frozen due to inactivities. चलिए, we'll do 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a twist. 5, be seated, count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and slowly up. Good job, you did a good job. We'll proceed for the next exercise. Before that, one breather. 1 to 12 in, 12 to 1 out. Let's do a deep breathing together. Keep your own count. Great job. Now please, we will proceed towards 2 lunges. Let's do a lunge. We will do a normal lunge first. We'll do 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another leg. Make sure your forward leg has maintained the floor contact and your behind leg is as stretched as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will do one more count. Always such exercises try to do in 2 counts. 2 repetitions, so that in first repetition you give instruction to your brain what you are going to do, and in second repetition you actually stay for a while in that position to give the effect to your body. Let's do second repetition. Maintain the floor contact. Stretch your behind leg as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and get up. Another leg. Maintain the floor contact. Stretch your behind leg as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. We will do lateral now. For lateral, again, if you need support, take the support and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back, center. Again, this side, another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. We will do one more repetition. Try to sit as much as you can. Stretch your leg. This is my capacity. You have to find your capacity. Listen to your body when you are doing exercise. Let's do one more count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and center. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and center. Great job. We have done amazing with our warm up. We will do now last exercise for our warm up session, and it's amazing. This time you will do twist, wherein your left leg comes ahead, your right leg is behind, but you will try to touch your right hand to your right leg which is behind. For that, again, if you need a support as per your leg, you can take it. I'll do it again. Left leg forward, right leg behind, touching my right hand to the inside leg, that is my right leg, and giving a good stretch to my hamstrings, to my hip and my lower back. Try to go down as much as possible and come up. Change the legs. Now my right leg is forward. Now my right leg is forward, left leg is behind. So I am trying to touch my left hand to my left leg, which is inside. Stretch as much as possible. Give a good stretch to lower back, your hamstrings, your calves, your every muscles of the leg. It's a good pull. Good. We will do one more count so that now your brain knows exactly what you have to do. This time we will try to stay little longer when we are going down. Let's do again. This time my left leg is ahead, right leg is behind. I'm trying to touch my right leg. Go down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wow, it's amazing stretch. Last count with this leg and left hand to left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Are you with me all? Are you happy? Are you enjoying? I am sure you must be. एक last normal down. We will just bend down to relax. Go down, 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 and up and behind. Yes, give a good stretch. Once more. Down, down, slow, 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 slow. Stay there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come up. Go behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lovely. This gave a good warm up to all of us, and we are ready to run as per our kilometers that we have decided. Decide with your mind. It is all in your mind. Decide today what you want to do. You have got another year to again appear for Pinkathon Day 3 4.0 next year. For that you are beginning, you are putting the stepping stone today. So decide well, listen to your body, don't cause any injuries. As soon as you feel you are tired, you are feeling fatigued, please stop for a while for a breather and again start off. At any point of time, if your body is denying to go further, simply catch an auto rickshaw and see us at our meeting point. Together we are going to celebrate once again Pinkathon Day 3.0. My Borivali team, I really love you all and I'm looking forward to see you all. जब भी आप रन कर रहे हो, कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स पहनो, पानी रखो साथ में, नैपकिन रखो. Just be light as much as possible. Don't carry unnecessary things with you. Alright? तो मिलते हैं सब साथ में. 1 November है आज और we will rock together.